Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Cloudflare DNS records for a moved server, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Cloudflare DNS records after moving your server, first, log into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select the domain you want to update. In the domain overview, locate the DNS tab and click on it. You will see a list of your current DNS records. Identify the records associated with your old server that need to be updated. For each record that points to your old server, click the Edit button beside it. In the record settings, replace the old IP address with the new IP address of your new server. Ensure that the record type, such as A or name, remains the same. After you have entered the new IP address, click the Save button to apply the changes. Repeat this process for all relevant DNS records that need to be updated. Once all records have been updated, check the Time to Live settings, or TTL, if necessary. Lowering the TTL can help propagate your changes more quickly, though it is optional. Next, verify that your new server is set up correctly and ready to receive traffic. It can be helpful to use tools like DNS Checker to confirm that the new DNS records have propagated. Propagation can take some time, sometimes up to 48 hours, so be patient. To check if your site is resolving correctly, type your domain into a web browser and see if it loads the new server. If everything appears to be working, you have successfully updated your Cloudflare DNS records for your moved server. In case of any issues, revisit your DNS records to ensure there are no errors in the entries. For further troubleshooting, consider reaching out to Cloudflare support or consulting their documentation for detailed assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.